QUÉ and CUÁL are two question words that are both used for saying what or which. ¿Qué is used for open-ended questions. ¿Qué quieres hacer means what do you want to do. ¿Qué te hace feliz means what makes you happy. Both of these are open-ended questions. You can answer whatever. ¿Cuál is used when asking for a choice from a set of options. ¿Cuál te gusta más means which one do you like the most. ¿Cuál es la mejor opción means what is the best option. We use que with the conjugated form of the verb ser to ask for definitions and explanations. ¿Qué es una bruja means what is a witch. ¿Qué son las estrellas means what are stars. And we use cuál with the conjugated form of the verb ser to ask for names and information. ¿Cuál es tu apellido means what is your last name. We aren't asking for a definition here. ¿Cuál es mi perro means which one is my dog. Asking ¿qué es mi perro would be asking for a definition or explanation of what your dog is. The plural form of cuál is cuáles. We say ¿cuál es tu país favorito when asking about one country, and ¿cuáles son tus países favoritos when asking about multiple countries. ¿Qué does not have a separate plural form. We say ¿qué both in singular and in plural. ¿Qué is commonly used before nouns. ¿Qué libro estás leyendo? What book are you reading? Real Academia Española, an institution overseeing the Spanish language, says that you can also put cuál before a noun, although its use is much more frequent in Latin America than in Spain. ¿Cuál chica means which girl. Summary. ¿Qué and cuál, cuáles in plural, are question words used for saying what or which. ¿Qué is used for open-ended questions. ¿Cuál is used when asking for a choice from a set of options. We use que with the conjugated form of the verb ser to ask for definitions and explanations. And we use cuál with the conjugated form of the verb ser to ask for names and information.